Okay, well this is a Cleveland pear. They have a nice white flower to them in the spring, and they have green foliage throughout. They're a dense pear tree, and they do have a very small fruit to them. It is not an edible fruit. This is an ornamental tree. So if you get a pear tree that you want to have fruit, you may want to try a different type of pear than this. Usually they're used as street trees, or every now and then they're used in the backyard for just a lot of white color in the spring. They are a denser type of pear tree. Like an aristocrat's a little bit broader, wider tree. This is a little bit narrower of a tree. If you take a look at the branching of it, the branch is more upright. So if you plant it, you can plant this one just a little bit closer to the house than if you would like an aristocrat pear. They do get about 30-35 feet tall, and they do get about 15-20 feet wide. It all depends on the environment, of course, but that's just a general idea what you can expect them to grow. They are a very nice ornamental plant, and we do have lots of them here. As you can see, there's probably I would say 300 or so just left in this block right here.
Okay, thank you very much, Mike. And where are we located?
We're located in Fountainville, Pennsylvania, which is just outside of Doylestown. Doylestown's about 45 minutes north of Philadelphia.
And we ship out of other locations?
Yes, we have a couple other locations that we ship out of, and just give us a call and we can tell you what those are.